Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2017 Peugeot 3008, which is a 1.2 PureTech Allure. It's a petrol manual in red with just over 44,000 miles on the clock. Comes with a full service history with 5 stamps and 3 main dealer, as well as a new timing belt done at 39,000 miles. The car is in great condition inside and out, and it is a very lovely smooth drive with comfort in mind. Not only do you get the comfort while driving, you get the space, the looks and the power for when it's needed with its 6-speed manual gearbox. Let's have a look inside. Comes with all electric windows, electric mirrors, manual height adjustable front seats with adjustable headrests, some light settings, and as you can see, just over 44,000 miles there on the clock. Just come with your climate control settings, radio, sat nav, hands free, as well as your connected apps included Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Mirror Link. Also comes with reverse camera with a bird's eye 360 view. Your steering controls also come with cruise control with your speed limiter, 6-speed manual gearbox, electric handbrake, and in centre console you got 2 cup holders, and underneath here with a butterfly opening you have extra storage under there, which does go quite a bit of the way in. Plenty of storage. Moving into the back, it's a slightly tinted rear windows, again electric. Bit of storage in the back of the front seats with the nets there. 12-volt socket. So a 60-40 split on the back seats with adjustable headrests, with the centre seat coming down as an armrest with 2 cup holders, as well as access into the boot there as well. As you can see, the car is in very good condition, no tears, rips or stains on any of the seats. And opening the boot into a generous sized boot space, which is in very good condition, with your spare wheel under here. There again, as you can see, manual adjustable passenger seat, again with adjustable headrest, plenty of space. It also comes with 2 keys and 12 months warranty. And there we are, 2017 Peugeot 3008, 1.2 PureTech Allure, petrol manual in red, here now at Ben Max Motors. Thank you for watching.